Welcome to Wonkeyjase. So we tried to start the car and all we got is this. As you see, absolutely nothing. All it does is makes a few noises and then cuts itself out. No starting whatsoever. So we need to first of all check the battery connections underneath the bonnet, make sure all the wires look like they're good. Now we do have a couple of testers. These are about £15. All you do is add it to the a negative on the battery and then hit the prong on the positive and it'll tell you the state of the battery. Funny enough, it didn't actually show us on the second car that we tried. It just there was no reading whatsoever, which is a bit weird, but it should come up and show you the state of the battery as it did on the previous one, and it showed us that the battery's dead. Now we still have the idea, or we're not sure whether it's the alternator or the battery itself. This little device, you plug it into another vehicle, start that vehicle and plug it into your cigarette lighter, and it should add some power, but it done nothing. So anyway, on to checking the alternator. So once we got this car started, we jump started it in the end. We use another tester, and what it does is when you start the engine, run it to about 2000 RPM, and that will tell us the amount of power that's going through. So if the alternator wasn't working properly, or it just wasn't pumping out enough juice, it would tell us on the little dial there. As you see, it's doing fine because you've got a little green light flickering. It's not fantastic, but it is flickering the green light, so the alternator is fine. It's producing enough power. So now we know it's a battery, it's not the alternator. So now we have to go and find a new battery. And then not all new batteries are the same price. So first of all, we need to find out what battery it is. We've got all those connectors on, undo those connectors, and then we look at the actual battery, and that tells you what battery we have. When you go into these little stores, you can enter your registration number, and it should come up with which battery you need, or a variation of which batteries you need. Some of them are slightly different, and I'm sure the staff will be able to help you. But we found this one for just under £72. Fitted it ourselves. That could be seen on another video, and then we tested it again and made sure that the battery's got good strength. The alternator is working fine, it's pumping the power into the battery, and it's all good to go. One thing to remember, if you are disconnecting batteries, turn off the airbag, passenger airbag, just in case you short circuit something, then that goes off. And also make sure that the passenger door is locked before you start messing around the battery, because once the battery's gone, you can't lock it. But you can, and that's on another video. But for today, we go with that premise. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And we're also on TikTok. And on the next video, is blinking detrimental to your health? We find out in the next video. Wonkeyjase.